Hi and welcome to Treasurie. I'm Louisa and today I'm going to show you how to make these lovely daisy squares. They're beautiful for bags and summer clothing, so let's get started. You will need some yarn. I'm using a worsted weight cotton yarn from Paintbox and a hook. With worsted weight, use either a 4.5 or a 5mm hook. I'm using a 4.5mm because I like the look of it when it's a little bit tighter. Okay, we're going to start with the yellow or your center color. Tie a slip knot and put it on your hook. And we're now going to chain 4. So yarn over, pull through, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will join it into a ring by putting the hook into the first chain and doing a slip stitch. So pull it through and then pull it through the one on the hook. And then you have our little ring that we're going to use to start. If you're an intermediate crocheter, you can use a magic ring, but for beginners, just the chains is a really easy solution. We're now going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. That counts as our first double crochet, and we're going to do 15 double crochet into the center of your loop. So a double crochet is yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so we need 15 of those. Here we go, we have 15 double crochet, and we're going to call it 16 stitches because the chain 3 at the beginning counts as the first stitch. We now want to close the round by inserting your hook into the third chain and doing a slip stitch. And that's our center. You can pull the string tight just to tighten the hole a little bit. And we're now going to fasten off that color because we're done with that. Here we go. And fasten off, just pull that through. We're now ready for round 2. For round 2, I'm going to use the white. We're going to join the yarn, so do a slip knot. Insert your hook into any stitch and pull the slip knot through. We're now going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That counts as your first treble stitch. And we're going to treble 2 together. So into the same stitch as your chain, yarn over twice, insert, and yarn over and pull through. You now have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. You still have the 2 stitches on your hook. Normally you would finish that off, but this time we're going to leave that and we're going to insert our hook again. So yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through. You can see we have 5 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we'll have 3 left, yarn over, pull through 3. So there's our first petal. Chain 1. And the next petal, we're doing a treble crochet 3 together into this same stitch, so into the next stitch. So yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We have 2 on the hook and do another treble, so yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we have 3 on the hook. And one more time, yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we have 4 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 4. See, and that's our second petal, and we're going to do a chain 1 to finish it off. So we have 2 petals here, which means we have 14 stitches left. We want to do 14 more like the one we've just done, the treble 3 together. We're now at the end, and we're going to join the round by a slip stitch into that 4th chain. And there is our round 2 with all our petals. Looks a little bit like an egg, doesn't it? Sunny sign up. Here's our petals complete, and we're going to join our pretty blue colour to any of the chain spaces. So just put your hook through, slip knot on the end and pull it through, and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That counts as your first treble stitch, and we're going to do 2 more treble stitches into that space. So these are regular treble stitches. So that's 1, and 2. Now chain 2 for the corner, and we're going to complete this corner with 3 more trebles into that same space. One, 2, and 3, and you can see that corner forming. Our next step is to do 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Flattening it out, go to the next chain space and 3 half double crochet. So half double crochet is yarn over insert, yarn over pull through, yarn over pull through 3. And now we're going to reverse it. 3 double crochet in there, the next chain space that is, and we're up to the next corner in our next space, and that's going to be 3 treble crochet, chain 2, 3 treble crochet. So that's what you will use for all your corners now. There's our 3 trebles, chain 2, and another 3 trebles into that same space. And we have a side now. We're just going to repeat across here. So we have the 3 doubles, 3 half double crochets, 3 doubles, and then another corner. So just repeat till you get to the end, and then we will do a slip stitch to join our round. Here we are with the last side completed, and we're going to join into the 4th chain. So slip stitch there, and we're done. Fasten off. And that's the end of our Daisy Granny Square. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.